Hey guys, welcome back. So this is gonna be a very quick just rundown. I wanted to show you guys how you can scale recipes in Brewfather, mainly because I'm going to a bigger system. So I'm gonna build my recipe as a 5 gallon recipe, but then we're gonna scale it up to 10 gallons. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make a new recipe. It's just going to be an Amarillo Pale Ale. And equipment, gonna change this up. And I'm just gonna do the regular brew in a bag, no sparge, 5 gallons. Should be good, should be good, should be good. Save. So fermentables, I'm going to just use some Pilsner. I've got tons of it. We're gonna use that raw, what is it, North Star? I don't know. Anyway, I'm just gonna call it the raw Pilsner. Let's do 8 pounds. And then caramel 10. We're gonna do 1 pound. And that gets us to 4.3%. So let's add some aromatic. Let's add pound. All right, that's 4.9%. What is our mash efficiency on this is 68.7%. I'm gonna go ahead and change that actually to 80, 75, 75, just in case, it's a new system. So I'm not gonna scale the recipe for that. Okay, so 5.4%, and then hops, let's do a 30-minute addition. At 1 ounce. IBU is 29. All right, so then let's add an ounce at 5. So that gets us 36 IBU. I like that. I'm gonna use the Hornindal Kveik blend by Escarpment Labs. Save. I already got my starter going for that. We are going to ferment it at 85 degrees for 7 days. Mash profile, sure, that's fine. Miscellaneous, I'm gonna leave it. Okay, so now we're gonna scale our recipe. So how to do this? Oh, I guess I should select my style first. Oak, how'd that even happen? Select. All right, so scaling the recipe, all you have to do is go to edit equipment profile and then change your batch volume and then save, and it'll prompt you to say, do you want to scale it? And you say yes. And then it adjusts all your figures. So I'm gonna go ahead and like actually adjust this to be like even numbers. You know, it basically doubles it. But if you're doing like like a 6 gallon to a 9 gallon, it just makes it easier to have it automatically done for you. Oh my God, come on. Save. Oh, why with the 0, 1? Okay. Yeah. All right, well, that's it. That's all I wanted to show you guys. I'm gonna brew this tomorrow, and check in. It's gonna be my biggest batch to date, so wish me luck, I guess. Thanks so much for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.